Hello guys, Pulak Kumar here. Welcome to our channel Problem Solver team. Today we are going to start basic principle of ladder diagram with Delta PLC various short name. The ones we use, we can now see that the short form at that required or work. The most popular use from PLC structure normally open. This structure is normally open contact in short name LD. Typing this LD and open normally open contact. This device used XYM STC, X input, Y output, M memory bit, S step relay, and T timer and counter. Next topic, normally close. NC, this short typing name LDI, and then I used rising 8 trigger switch. Rising 8 trigger switch, this short name LDP, typing this, and device used same. And next topic, filling 8 trigger switch. Filling 8 trigger switch, this short name LDF. LDF, this short name. And I use this relay type, and I use relay coil. This is output OUT. This device use YMS, output memory bit and step relay. This relay symbol and this short instruction keyboard OUT. This structure is step ladder. This short form STL and used for step relay. Thank you for stay with us.